You guys, I think this piece is so cute. It only took like 15 minutes to do, and so I want to know what you guys think and if you guys are willing to give it a shot. Love the soft lines and the way the ochre color, which is actually called mustard, played up with the pinks and the golds and the creams. Let me know what you think. So the first thing I did is grease the pan with some Milky Way or Halo by Resin. You can get that color and the rest of the colors I'm going to mention from my shop, artisttilldeath.com. And the colors I used were Carnation Pink by Just Resin. I used Titanium White, and I made an opaque color like this one, as well as a translucent one, both with Titanium from Just Resin. This ochre color is Mustard by Just Resin. I'm layering it all in a cup for a dirty pour. This is Old Gold by Color Passion, and then I'm topping it off with a translucent pink, which was just the translucent white with just a little swizzle of pink in it. And I layered it all up into a dirty pour cup. It looks like this. I love the way these colors played together. If I had to do it again, I would mix up more of this translucent pink color, which again was the translucent white with just a little bit of the pink in it, the carnation color. I would have done more of that. This one I'm putting on right now is Interference Oyster by Resin Art and some more opaque white. I am kind of brushing out more of the colors onto the board, and I know it looks a little bit sketchy right now, but trust me, it all plays out super well. I am tilting it and hitting it with some heat to stretch the look and kind of give everything a little bit more of a cohesive movement. And I'm adding more white to where I think there was just a little bit too much of the Just Resin mustard, and I'm kind of just blending those colors through each other. I'm now putting fault lines by, I don't know if they're called fault lines, but anyways, thin lines of white across the piece. Sorry, my camera got bumped and moved, so it is zoomed in for just a second. I'll fix it in one more second. I really like letting the opaque white sink through the translucents and then tilting them to stretch the color. It gives an awesome shadow when the translucents and the opaques kind of roll over each other. I am now adding the lines of the Carnation Pink and the Color Passion Old Gold in just areas where I think it needs to be a little bit brighter or there isn't enough color or anything going on in those areas. I like to add a little bit more lines of, I don't know, action. And just off camera, I'm sorry you can't see it, I'm adding more of the thin lines of white like I am in the bottom of the picture. And I just go really fast back and forth and get as many lines that are thin as I can. I let it sit for a second and then I tilt the piece and let everything roll over itself. That way it has that kind of jutting looking shadow. Love the way the piece turned out. It didn't take long at all. I think in total it took me 15 minutes from the time I mixed up my Stone Coat Art Coat epoxy. You can get that from stonecoatartcoat.com. Nope, stonecoatcountertops.com. Use the code YALL, Y-A-L-L, all caps, no punctuation, for like 15% off, which is super rad. So tell me what you think of the piece. I super love it, and I hope you guys do too. If you enjoyed it, please leave me your thumbs and subscribe and tell me what you would like to see next time. You can get all the colors, like I said, from artisttilldeath.com. Be kind to one another because you never know what someone's going through. And always remember that we do the test so you don't have to. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.